Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then add the card. Make sure your iPhone is updated and signed into your Apple ID. Without that, verification can fail. Next, open Wallet and tap the plus button, choose credit or debit card and scan your card or type numbers manually. This speeds entry and reduces typos. Once done, follow issuer prompts for billing address and accept terms. You need the bank's OTP or email code to continue, so keep your phone or email accessible. After adding the card, you must verify it with your bank. This is why verification options matter. Choose SMS, your bank app, or a call. When you receive the one-time code, enter it promptly to activate the card in Wallet. Once verified, set preferences. Pick a default card in Wallet settings and toggle Express Transit if you rely on public transport. Also enable Face ID or Touch ID for security. This ensures you can authorize payments quickly while keeping the card protected. Now you use the card. To pay in stores, double-click the side button or rest your thumb, then hold the top of the iPhone near the contactless reader and authenticate with Face or Touch ID. You'll see Done and a check mark. For online or in-app purchases, choose Apple Pay and confirm. Once finished, monitor transactions in Wallet and contact your issuer for disputes. If a card won't work, first check connectivity and verification status. If needed, remove and re-add the card, or restart your iPhone to resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.